Welcome back to the Tech Shack, to another low quality video. Now the last time we had this test bench out, we were post testing this motherboard. Now this is just a temporary cooler. The motherboard and RAM is what's going to go into my daughter's final all white build. And today we have her graphics card. Just a placeholder. I needed an all white graphics card that would fit the aesthetics and that would run Roblox and a handful of Disney games. And this absolutely will run everything she wants. Great. So let's get this guy open and see how it looks. So I picked this card up for $55 shipped. It was one of the fastest AliExpress orders I've ever gotten, arriving almost exactly 1 week from the day I ordered it. Normally I would not recommend this card since it's usually within a couple dollars of an RX 580, and an RX 580 is substantially more powerful. However, the cheapest RX 580 with an all-white shroud was over $80 shipped. And either card may end up being a placeholder should Ava decide to play more than just Roblox and a few Disney games, so most likely it'll be swapped out with an RX 6600 in the future, so I didn't want to spend any more than I had to strictly on aesthetics. Despite being a China-only card, it appears it's still a salvaged die, this one coming from Power Color. Most Soyo cards that have come through the shack have had their AIB and sub-vendor info wiped, so it only shows AMD or a generic AIB partner, but so far 3 have come through with the original board partner's branding remaining somewhere. So far we have confirmed dies from MSI, Asus, and now Power Color, truly confirming that Soyo cards are in fact a silicon lottery. I plan on launching a page on my company's website with more information on these cards and the host of different BIOSes I extract. Had I known the original Soyo videos would have gained so much traction and engagement, I would have started gathering this info and hosting the BIOS sooner, but most of the other cards come in just for a day, just long enough to be installed, stress tested, and given back to the customer. It's only special projects that get any extended testing and YouTube treatment, since my business customers expect prompt service and don't typically volunteer their purchases for video projects. Going forward, any Soyo cards that come through the shack will at the very least get its BIOS uploaded if it's a different version than a previous card I've tested. Thermals and power consumption with this card are quite good. So this card performs very similar to an RX 470, which is what the RX 560 XT is essentially, a Chinese-only rebrand of cut-down RX 470 dies. And it seems the Soyo cards are just used dies from any manufacturer they can find. But that's it for this low-quality video. I'll see you guys in the next one.